fourth-generation Santa Fe, a true SUV with a strong and robust design. The wide cascading grille and top-bottom separated composite lights complete the Hyundai SUV look. The longer wheelbase and shortened overhang complete an elegant profile. While adding large wheel arch lines for a sturdier image. Wide rear bumper and chrome moldings. The dimensional rear combi lamps complete a refined and bold look for the rear.
Mom, Nexo's coming with us, right?
Of course. Stop playing and let's get ready to go.
The wrap door keeps your clothes clean in any weather.
Dad, do you feel I'm okay?
Sure thing.
The third row is now a comfortable space with easy access.
Honey, did we miss anything?
The tailgate opens automatically when needed.
Hey, this too.
Got it. All right, heading out. Almost as gorgeous as you.
Stop.
Amy, let me try.
Amy, Michael, be careful.
Wide and comfortable interior design with consideration given to the smallest details. The seamless design of the almost floating display and the high-resolution virtual cluster offer high-tech sensibilities. The seat cushion extensions make driving comfortable for tall drivers and help make long-distance rides even more enjoyable. The passenger seat is just as comfortable as the driver's seat. Each of your holding and resting hand motions becomes a bit more comfortable. The uniquely patterned speaker grills are reminiscent of off-road gravel. It has the biggest second-row legroom in its class. And the third-row cabin space has also become roomier. The wider quarter glass offers a refreshing openness for passengers in the second and third rows. Folding the second row has become easier thanks to the digital switch on the luggage side. And the large trunk space allows leisure activities with limitless storage possibilities.
Play the music. Music.
All right, here we go.
The new heart and stronger body of the fourth-generation Santa Fe offers dynamic yet stable driving. The powertrain achieves practical performance and fuel efficiency. The body rigidity, which is the highest in its class, improves both the safety and the driving performance. The H-Track, an electronic AWD system, guarantees stable driving in any environment. The fixed glass and flag-type outside mirror offers a more open view. And drivers can conveniently check the HUD to get the information they need while keeping their eyes on the road.
see it? Want me to stop?
Careful when you guys get out.
The seagull's right there on the sea.
Michael, be careful. Whew, you're so close.
Santa Fe always anticipates your needs. It informs you in advance. And will, at times, move on its own. It lets you know when you need rest. And in emergencies, will automatically protect the car and you. The first ever ROA, which applies ultrasonic sensors, checks for occupants in the rear seats to help you ensure that no children or pets are left behind. It even senses dangers in advance, preventing collisions when reversing. The new Santa Fe, built strong, yet with the most delicate considerations. The heart of the Santa Fe beats with you.